How to design product images with Google Nano Banana. The first step to creating stunning product images is to open an account with Google and use the latest version Gemini 2.5 Flash. How to build product images from scratch. Log in and enter the prompt. Here, I'm showcasing an imaginary tea powder brand called ELEX. The prompt was to create a packet of tea powder, highlighting the main ingredients, and Gemini delivered. I asked Gemini to make some tweaks to the tea powder color to make it more authentic. The next step was dedicated to the meticulous refinement of several key elements, specifically focusing on optimizing the packaging design, enhancing the overall visual appearance of the product, and meticulously shaping the branding aesthetic. How to create a product image for an e-commerce site. Using aromatics for an air conditioner. The prompt was simple, but the result focused too much on aesthetics. To refine, I focused on conveying the need for less emphasis on the surroundings and more on the product. I also provided some features I wanted displayed right next to the product, and Gemini's output was quite good. How to create product images for an existing brand with AI-generated prompts. Let's select an existing brand. We'll also be using prompts from Gemini and ChatGPT on the same. First, I chose to add a Gemini-created prompt to an image of KFC bucket chicken. The prompt was detailed, specifying the lighting, the camera lens to be used, the color of the broasted chicken, and so on. The output was quite okay. In the second attempt, I used a ChatGPT prompt on the KFC bucket. The prompt detailed the style of photography, how the chicken had to be placed, and the emphasis on the look of the chicken, etc. The output was better compared to that of Gemini. To add a little detail, I asked to keep bowls of ketchup, mayo, and coleslaw. The final takeaway is that using Google Nano Banana can help you generate images with a solid prompt. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.